भारत के निर्माण में अपनी भूमिका निभाने की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ। मैं औपनिवेशिक मानसिकता के किसी भी निशान को हटाने की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ। मैं अपनी समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत को बढ़ावा देने और संरक्षित करने में गर्व महसूस करने की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ। मैं देश की एकता और एकजुटता के लिए प्रयास करने की प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ।
St. Andrews High Secondary School, Vasco, in tune with what our national leaders have envisaged, this program of Mera Mati Mera Desh, where we give reverence to our freedom fighters and to the motherland, the soil of our motherland. And one way of doing it is by planting trees. Trees is a lifeline of our nation. Without trees, we as human beings will never be able to have a comfortable life. Trees not only provide us with oxygen, but it also reduces the greenhouse effect. One of the important aspects of trees is to reduce the stress of individuals, and therefore St. Andrews NSS unit felt it necessary that we reach out to our areas around the school. We are here at Chicalim for this tree plantation drive, and I'm sure our students also will learn a lot from this. One is to preserve and protect our environment, our trees, and secondly, to know the importance of the most important occupation of our country, and that is agriculture, to mix their hands with the soil and to know the value of our soil. Our soil is the richest soil in the whole world, and this is something that we want to teach our students, that they need to put their hands in the soil to cultivate and be one with the motherland. So we thank our chief guest, Mr. Shivaji Dulaji, who is a veteran of the armed forces, and we also thank the Chicalim Panchayat for their collaboration in organizing this drive. Have felicitated a hero of our nation, who is a veteran of the armed forces, who has spent a lot of his life in the armed forces. And on this day, felicitating them, appreciating their services, and honoring them is also teaching the students the importance of our armed forces and how much they do for us and for our nation. So, sir, we congratulate you and we thank you for all your services you have rendered to our nation.
It is a great honor to me by invitation of the school, and the invitation has given to me is a great honor for me. Thank you very much for